Imagine an extraordinary student experience in Chester. Welcome to Trinity Hall, where comfort meets community in a vibrant setting. Discover a range of meticulously designed en-suites, each one a cozy retreat tailored for studies. Enjoy a plush bed, generous storage, and a dedicated desk and chair, all wrapped in a stylish, modern aesthetic. Experience hassle-free living with all bills included: water, electricity, heating, and Wi-Fi. So there's more time to focus on what matters most. Take advantage of fantastic communal amenities, including an outdoor area for relaxation, a communal TV for movie nights, and convenient bike storage. Safety is a top priority with secure lockable bedrooms, CCTV, and a fob entry system, along with on-site maintenance for peace of mind. What about location? Absolutely unbeatable. Just a short stroll from top institutions like the University of Chester and the University of Chester Queen's Park campus. Savor delicious meals at local favorites like La Fattoria and unwind at charming pubs such as Telford's Warehouse. Grocery runs are effortless with Tesco Superstore just around the corner, plus fantastic transport links to explore the city and beyond. Ready to elevate the student journey in Chester? Visit amberstudent.com and claim a spot at Trinity Hall today.